Hi everyone, it's me again, Maria, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do another video, but that's only for December. So what I called is Vlogmas. So we're gonna challenge every one of you. If you have a YouTube channel, let's do the Vlogmas video starting today from December 1 until the end of. So any kind of video, if you want to upload in shorts or in a long form, it's okay. But anything that you want to upload every day, that's what we call the Vlogmas challenge for the whole month of December. So are you ready to dive into this magic Vlogmas? So whether you're seasoned vlogger or just getting started, this guide will show you how to create fun, festive content every day leading up to Christmas. So without any further ado, let's jump in. All right, so now, guys, here are the step-by-step guide that I'm gonna share with you guys if you want to do this Vlogmas challenge. Okay, so step one, the first step is to become a successful Vlogmas is planning. Okay, so grab a notebook or use a calendar app and brainstorm 25 videos ideas that you want to use for your Vlogmas. Or you can ask ChatGPT to help you to create an ideas on what you're gonna do with your Vlogmas. So here are some fun Vlogmas ideas that I want to share with you. Like for example, decorating your Christmas tree. You can shoot a video while you're decorating your Christmas tree. Your DIY holiday crafts. If you are making a craft using DIY. Gift shopping. If you're doing shopping, you're wrapping some gifts for Christmas. You can also do that. Your favorite holiday recipe if you have something special for Christmas and you want to cook it and you want to share those recipes, then you can also do that ideas. So a day in the life vlog. So having plan will help you stay organized and reduce stress during the busy holiday season. Yes, step two is work smarter, not harder. Filming and editing every single day can be overwhelming. So my tip to you is if you can film your videos whenever it's possible, for example, you are baking cookies. So one day you film enough for two videos. Like for example, first is a recipe tutorial and the second one is a festive question and answer while enjoying the cookies. This way you always have content ready to go. Step three, keep it simple. Simple is better. Don't overcomplicate your vlogs. Vlogmas is all about authenticity and connection, not perfection. Even a simple video like sharing your favorite Christmas memories or showing what's in your stocking can resonate with your audience. Step four is edit quickly. Edit like a pro. Editing daily videos can be time consuming, and I know that because I'm doing that every day. So stick to quick edits. Use tools like what I'm using, CapCut, iMovie, or Adobe Premiere, or Camtasia. So any video editing software that good for you and easy for you to edit your videos, use it so you can edit your videos quickly. Step five, stay consistent, post daily. Consistency is the key to Vlogmas. Choose a specific time to upload every day so that your audience know when to tune in. But here is a pro tip. If daily posting becomes too much for you, aim for every other day or even weekly highlights of your Vlogmas journey. Step six, engage with your audience. Build a community. Vlogmas is a great time to connect with your viewers, as I'm doing right now. I'm connecting with you, I'm talking to you. So reply to the comments, host a festive giveaway or ask questions like what's your favorite holiday tradition? Which Vlogmas video do you want to see next? Things like that. So engagement keeps the holiday spirit live and build a loyal audience. And the last step, step seven, have fun and be authentic. Enjoy the season. Okay? The most important part of Vlogmas is to have fun. So don't stress about making everything perfect. Look what I'm doing right now. I'm vlogging. This is my first Vlogmas. So your viewers will appreciate the real, and I hope you appreciate my Vlogmas tutorial for now. And I just want to have a moments to share with you guys. So This is the 7 steps that you can follow step by step to create a Vlogmas. Or if you want to try this challenge for this whole December, then let's do this. And that's it, guys. I hope this guide helps you to create an amazing Vlogmas experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, especially for those who are new to my channel. Thank you so much for your time watching my videos. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. And I can wait to see you all your festive vlogs. So don't forget to write down the comments, guys. If you already did this Vlogmas challenge, let me know so I can watch your videos. And happy Vlogmas to everyone. Thank you. See you next time.